TFNN. Headline News Update.
Hi everyone, Basil Chapman here for the 10 a.m. Eastern Time, Tiger Financial News Network market update. This is the last trading day of the month, and we're going to be talking about the monthly candles. As soon as we return, got a lot of questions about the market, where we are, what we're doing, etc. And even for my newsletter, the opening call, I discussed a bunch of things. Let me just show you this pattern real quickly here. It's a pattern I actually, during my webinar the other day on Wednesday, I officially inaugurated this pattern. I've seen it for years and I've never really given it a nickname. This is the pie. This is that pie pattern. Look, on the left side, you've got the oval pattern or the arch formation of the pie, but then you get a slice. This is a thin slice. Most people don't take thin slices from a pie, but this is a thin little V-shaped pattern, and you come back and you retest it. If the Dow starts to trade anytime next week in the 35,270, 35,300s, it breaks this formation and becomes a powerful V-shaped pattern. So now let's get back to our story. We've got the Dow down 23. The futures were down quite sharply this morning. They've come back nicely. 35,065 made an all-time high yesterday. 35,171. Let's see what happens today. Very interesting. It's a fascinating moment because we've got a bunch of technical indicators. We've got the rectangle formation. I always talk about that. We've got the Chapman Wave inside track repellent zone. We stopped dead yesterday, right at the top of that. Now we're just inside it. And let's go on to the S&P. We've got the S&P, and for the Dow, anytime next week, if we close under 34,600, 34,500 areas cushion, that's going to be a big negative. Going into the higher parameters is very positive. S&P, I really don't have a choice but calling this a B, and I suspect we should be making legs C and D higher than the all-time high of 4,442.73, 4,429.97. Sorry, that was the high of yesterday. And you can see the key support will be 43.20 next week. And if we can get into the 44,000, that's really good. Let's just quickly go to the QQQ. Trying to rally. You've got Amazon pulling back. We can talk about that. IWM, Russell 2000 doing nicely. I'll be back at 3 o'clock to do the Tom O'Brien show, but I'll also be doing my show coming up, the Tiger Technicians Hour. I hope you can stay. A lot to talk about for the end of the month of July and what to expect in August. Be back in a moment. Hope you can be there. Otherwise, have a great weekend.